So, pinuntahan po namin sa dentista. Sabi niya, hindi po po namin alam.
Ano po yung sinasabi natin?
Ayan ma'am, so kung hindi po natin magbibigyan ng paraan po ito para mag-firma yung dokumento mga dala namin, magkakaroon po ng pag-ano. Pwede niyo po ba mga dokumento dito na lang po. Ito na po, Franco.
Usa ka na dito ako. Para ayan. Sige, bago po ang lahat. Papakilala ko kami. Surprise ABS. And pinapak po tayo ng ating mga sender upang ibigay po yung isang kunting regalo ngayong karawan niyo po. And meron po silang message ma'am na babasahin ko po. Ito po yung sabi nila. Happy birthday to the one of the best sisters in the world. Ikaw muna ang pinakamaganda today kasi birthday mo. Bukas kami naman ulit. Thank you for being such a wonderful sister. A good times man o bad times, lagi kang nandyan. We're so grateful for the time you spent with us here in UK last 2024. Thank you dahil may chef kami na lagi to the rescue sa pagluluto. Sobrang saya namin. Balik ka na ha. Di na kami galit. We just want to say how proud and grateful we are for you. Thank you for always looking for nanay and for being the happy, jolly sister full of energy who can brighten up any moment. Your laughter, kindness, and strong heart mean so much to our family. Please continue to inspire and help other people through your vlogging career. What you're doing is truly meaningful, and I know you'll keep inspiring more and more people. Keep choosing yourself, keep believing in your worth, and never forget how strong you are. Nandito lang kami, always supporting you. Dead man lang tayo sa mga basher. Just to be positive always. We miss you and we love you so much. God bless from your UK family. Ayan, happy birthday po. And baka